After more than 3 years of being stuck in Singapore and feeling trapped, I decided to f it and go solo tripping. It can be daunting to travel again after so long, and I didn't want to plan too much, so this was an easy option. I boarded the Genting Dream for a 6-day 5-night cruise and made myself at home. The sounds of the waves and low drone of the engines helped to drown the voices in my head. I spent a lot of time on the balcony of my suite, finding comfort in solitude. Once I was ready to get out there, I found plenty to do on the ship. I joined some interesting tours to learn more about Genting Dream and what's behind the scenes. I loved that the facilities were open till late. Being in a spa at 10 p.m. was quiet and blissful. The best part of this trip is that I got to disembark at different destinations without the hassle of additional custom checks or changing my accommodation. It was nostalgic for me to revisit Kuala Lumpur, but I also saw a different side to her at Batu Caves. We had half a day in each city. I got to see Penang from the peaks. And once we got to Phuket, most people went for the water activities. When it came to dining options, I was spoiled for choice. Maybe it was because I was always having meals alone. The chefs and the kitchen and service staff really paid attention and provided their best service. Self-care is to fill your stomach, and I was constantly doing so throughout the cruise. At the end of the 6 days, I felt different. I was relaxed, content, and my heart was full. Really, really full. This marked my first cruise experience, and it sure won't be the last. On behalf of everyone at Coconuts, I wish you all joy and freedom in the new year.
Coconuts TV.